Welcome to the Paper Car Crash. In this activity, you are challenged to engineer a crash-worthy car out of paper and glue that's strong enough to carry it down a track and protect it during a crash with a concrete barrier. So let's look at our supplies. You have to do it using only 2 sheets of paper, 4 wheels, 2 axles, and a straw. Using those supplies and unlimited amounts of glue, you need to build that crash-worthy car in order to protect your egg. The straw is going to be your axle housing, so you got to cut it at the right length in order to house your axle and the wheels and attach it to the bottom of your car. So I said unlimited amounts of glue. You can use any type of glue that you would like. If you use hot glue, be really careful that you don't burn yourself either with the glue or the gun. I like to use the cool glue guns. They work just as well and they're a lot safer. Now, if you're going to do any of the gluing, make sure you're wearing your safety goggles. The purpose of this activity is for you to apply your science and engineering skills and knowledge to build a crash-worthy vehicle. Remember, a crash-worthy vehicle protects its occupants during a crash. And in this case, you're protecting the egg. So, good luck and have fun.